Well, I see it mainly at a legal level. So I think the development of the law since 1992 in this area has been quite profound. There have been numerous landmark High Court decisions and important decisions of the full Federal Court as well, mapping out and charting the way in terms of how the law should develop, because it really is, compared with lots of other law, quite new, even though the subject matter is extremely old. So that has been really quite interesting, and there have been some quite groundbreaking trial techniques developed in native title work, which I think could possibly be applied to other more commercial work as well. And I think that it's a constantly evolving process. So from the perspective of the players in the legal scene and the lawyers and the court and so on, there's been a lot of change there, which is all change for the better. But from a personal perspective, it's just been a really terrific educational experience to be involved on country with the native title people. The area that I've done most of my trial work in is the desert region, and it is absolutely amazing the places they find out there in the middle of nowhere with just incredible beauty, and the resources that they're able to marshal in those places, the capacity to find water in the most unlikely places, and even to find food sources, and not only to learn about this on paper, but to go out there and experience it and see it firsthand, and then to hear all the stories about the connection with the land. Some of the stories are sad parts of history, like the removal of non-full blood children and so on. There are some sad stories, but just being a part of the people telling those stories, those of them who are still alive, is quite an experience. But then all the Dreamtime stories on top of that, as well as the actual life experiences of the people, has been a really significant learning experience. And so that I've been very fortunate to do that.